Covering school books used to take me hours. This transparent self-adhesive cover did it in minutes. Have school books arrived and you're already dreading the whole book covering process? Back in our days, covering books meant brown paper, scissors, tape, and a lot of patience. You had to measure everything, cut it perfectly, fold the edges, and then seal it with cellophane tape. If you got it wrong, you had to start all over again. This year, our school suggested using transparent covers instead, so I started looking around on Amazon to see if there was an easier solution. That's when I found these transparent self-adhesive book cover sheets. This pack comes with 30 sheets in 3 different sizes: 10 large, 10 medium, and 10 small. The large sheets are suitable for standard textbooks, the medium ones work well for workbooks, and the smaller sheets are perfect for notebooks. The best part is how easy they are to apply. First, pick the correct sheet size for your book. For this textbook, I'm using the large size. Place the sheet with the adhesive side facing up. The backing is already pre-cut in the center, so simply peel off the middle strip. Next, align the edge of your book carefully onto the exposed adhesive section. Once it's positioned correctly, close the cover over the sheet and slowly peel away the remaining backing while pressing the film onto the book. Take your time during this step to avoid wrinkles or folds. Once the cover is attached, fold the extra material around the edges of the book. In our case, the textbook was slightly smaller than the sheet, so we had to make a small cut near the corners to help the film fold neatly. After that, it was very easy to wrap and finish the cover. No staplers, no cellophane tape, no complicated folding, just a clean, neat finish in a matter of minutes. One thing I really like is that the cover is completely transparent. You can instantly identify which book you're holding without opening it or adding extra labels. It's also very lightweight, so it doesn't add any noticeable bulk to the book, which is great for school bags that are already heavy enough. The material feels safe for kids and it's waterproof too, helping protect books from spills, stains, and everyday wear throughout the school year. Now, there is one thing to watch out for. You might occasionally get small air bubbles during application. If that happens, simply use a credit card or any flat card to gently push the bubbles out towards the edge. Apart from that, I found this to be a really practical solution, especially for parents who need to cover multiple books before the school year begins. It saves time, gives books a neat professional look, and makes the whole book binding process much easier. For me, this is definitely an upgrade from the traditional brown paper method. If you're getting your school books ready this season, this might make your life a lot easier.